Okay, this is the unboxing of my Miir tumbler, which was a level 3 benefit from the Starbucks Odyssey program, which is the highest level you can get right now. It's currently in the beta. And I got one of my stamps on it, and I actually can't remember which stamp I got, so I'm hoping that it's one that I like, because a couple times I had minted stamps that I didn't really love and ended up selling. So let's see. We have the Starbucks Odyssey Beta right there. You can scan the QR code. It takes you information about the program. And let's see. Oh, wow. Look at that. We got a card about Starbucks Odyssey. It's an Odyssey Beta branded box with another QR code. That's nice. Ooh, this is so exciting. Okay, oh, it's history right here. It's my favorite stamp. Oh, thank God. Oh my God, it looks so good. Oh my God, it looks so good. It's my first store stamp in the coral. This is actually, it's from the first store collection. This is actually the first store itself, at 1912 Pike Place, I believe. And yeah, it says Starbucks Odyssey Beta on the back, so you know I was an early adopter of the program. Wow, I'm probably not ever going to use this. This is going right on display. This is gorgeous. I'm so happy. There it is.